everything will be okay. OK, preferred supplier of household supply chain. OK Science and Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which specializes in research, development, and manufacturing of intelligent equipment and packaging materials for household paper. Since its establishment, OK Technology has always pursued the concept of confidence originates from professional skills. Trust comes from perfect quality. Create brand power diligently. Forge ahead amidst sharp changes in leadership. The company has a provincial enterprise technology center in Jiangxi Province. It is the third batch of specialized and new Little Giant enterprise, recognized by the Small and Medium Enterprise Bureau of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, and has been recognized as a national specialized and new Little Giant enterprise in 2022. Product is the vitality of an enterprise. OK Technology is committed to R&D and manufacturing a variety of middle and high-end household paper intelligent equipment production lines. OK Technology has realized standardized and modular production, and the equipment produced is widely used in all processes of household paper production and manufacturing. At present, it mainly includes automatic facial tissue production line, automatic toilet paper production line, automatic handkerchief paper production line, and other products. Fully automatic facial tissue production line includes box facial tissue, soft facial tissue, and hand towel production lines, which can realize automatic production of facial tissue from folding to case packing. Our brief is quality OK, customer foremost, based on technological innovation and intelligent manufacturing. OK takes advantages of core technology research and development in the field of household paper intelligent equipment, has a research and development team with first-class technology and rich experience in the domestic machinery industry. Follow the pace of the times, constantly challenge the technological boundaries, and make each imagination true. After years of technology accumulation and independent innovation, high-tech and equipment manufacturing industries such as automation control technology and remote online monitoring technology have been combined. OK has 61 patents. Independently developed the OK 800 4-lanes automatic handkerchief paper production line, the OK 5600 large-width automatic facial tissue folding machine, etc., to fill the gaps in the domestic market, and the technology is at the leading level. OK Technology facial tissue folding production line has been continuously developed and innovated. We have tempered every process just to make every product achieve excellent quality. We are full of expectations for the green development of energy saving and emission reduction in household paper industry. As industry leader and the main drafting unit, it formulated a number of industry standards proposed by the China National Light Industry Council and issued by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. OK Technology is the first in the industry to propose the whole line turnkey project service. With better service and products with more technical advantages, OK has won high recognition from customers and has taken the lead in realizing the import substitution of similar products. OK has established a friendly and stable cooperative relationship with well-known leading enterprises in the field of tissue paper, such as Jinhongye Paper, Hongnang Group, C&S Paper, Venda Group, etc. The products sell well all over the country and in Europe, America, and Asia, and are well known all over the world. OK Technology continues to enrich the product line and will continue to develop new products on the basis of existing technology platform and apply them to other fields. At present, the company is developing and producing lithium battery separator production lines and gradually playing a gorgeous movement in the field of new energy equipment. OK does not forget its original intention, focuses on the field of household paper intelligent equipment, and is committed to becoming an industry leader. Let China OK help the world OK. Looking back on the last 10 years, step by step forward without stopping. Looking forward to the new times, chasing dreams, and inspiring people to go ahead. OK of China, OK of the world. Choose OK. Everything will be OK. OK, the preferred service provider of tissue paper supply chain.